Wait, do not swipe away just yet. This hidden gem is going viral globally, and for a massive reason. This specific yet completely honest Finding Perfect is proving to be an absolute lifesaver. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple. Design is pure genius. It brings professional-level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it solves an annoying problem. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before it's completely gone. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. This hidden gem is going